Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your browser and OS are up to date so the extension can access audio APIs. Next, install the sound booster from the official store and accept only necessary permissions. This prevents unexpected mic or tab access. Once done, restart the browser and set system volume to about 50% so you have headroom. You do this because boosting amplifies signal. A clean baseline reduces clipping and keeps quality intact. While preparing for the next configuration, you now choose which audio source to boost, an active tab, system audio, or a specific app, because targeted boosting preserves other sounds. Increase gain incrementally, in small 1 to 5 dB steps, listening for distortion. This gradual approach prevents clipping and preserves dynamics. Then pick the correct output device and enable any device-specific enhancements if they improve clarity. Once set, test with familiar audio at different levels to confirm loudness and fidelity, and make small adjustments to balance loudness versus quality. You finish by running both loud and quiet tests to ensure the booster raises audibility without introducing artifacts. Save a preset for common tasks like meetings and another for media playback so you can switch quickly. Also lock the extension to run on startup if you rely on consistent audio. If you hear distortion or dropouts, reduce gain immediately and enable the extension's limiter or compressor. This troubleshooting step prevents clipping and protects speakers while restoring clear, controlled audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.